We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, we feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Hi dear, happy birthday. Thank you for being a good friend of mine. I wish you all the best. God bless you always. And always remember that I love you so much.
Yes, hello everyone! Happy birthday di ay sa atong CPA President na si Madam Karren Songbird. Laisyo kay paminaw, uy, Madam, yes! And of course, I would like to thank Madam Karren for giving us the opportunity nga dili jud ma-board karon nga gi-lockdown tatanan. It's so happy to see people helping others to keep in track and dili sila ma-board, dili sila mag-anxiety attack during this pandemic. Thank you kaayo, Madam Karren, for sa mga gamay nga mga projects nimo, nakatabang jud kag dako namo. Thank you so much, and hopefully God will bless you with many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Madam!
Hi! Happy birthday! I wish for you more blessings to come and more pretty to come. Happy birthday, our songbird in this world, Karren Songbird. Happy birthday!
I would like to greet a happy birthday to the one and only Karren Songbird. I hope you enjoy your day, madam, and more bookings and more shows. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mama Karren Songbird. Hoping for more blessings for you, and hope to see you on stage again and be working with you. God bless.
I would like to greet happy birthday to Miss Karren Songbird, special friend. God bless you, and more blessings and more birthdays to come. Again, happy birthday, Carl. Love you.
Happy birthday, Madam President Karren Songbird. Thank you kaayo sa mga paningkamot, sa mga ayuda, o sa tanang blessings. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Lynn, happy birthday. Thank you so much dahil sa advices na binasa kong dog kay na ayun na. Thank you so much. I love you, Lynn. From Jackie.
Hi, happy birthday to our Madam President, Miss Karren Songbird. Wish you all the best and keep safe always in all ways. I love you more.
Hello, Mama! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best in life and stay sexy, hot, fresh, and virgin, nurse. Once again, happy birthday, Ma! Salamat sa grasyahan niya. Tagda mo, I love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Karren! I hope you have a great day today, and the year ahead is full of many blessings. God bless!
Hi, Mommy Karren! Happy quarantine birthday! God bless!
Happy birthday to our songbird diva, Mommy Karren Songbird. Yes. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Madam President Karren Songbird. Enjoy your day. Thanks for the help. Thanks for everything. And God bless you.
Hi, hello, good day, Madam President Karren Songbird. I would just like to greet happy birthday to you. More blessings and good health always for you, Madam. I hope you will definitely celebrate your wonderful day together with your family. So again, happy birthday, more blessings, and thank you so much for everything you have done for all the members of CPA. Again, thank you and happy birthday, Madam President Karren Songbird. Thank you.
Happiest birthday to the one and the only ma Karren Songbird. Happiest birthday to you ma, and I hope malagang pang blessing mga abot nimo. Thank you for sharing your blessings to us. Happiest birthday, mama.
Happy birthday sa mo President sa CPA, Miss Karren Songbird. We wish you all the best.
Hola Patricia, soy Patricia. I just want to greet a happy birthday to Mommy Karren Songbird, the one and only and the best President of Cebu Performers Association. More blessings to come, and thank you so much for sharing your love and support to all of us. Keep safe and God bless you more.
I'd like to greet a happy birthday, Ma Karren Songbird. I wish you all the best and many more birthdays to come. Again, happy birthday. Love you.
Hello, happy birthday Mama Karren Songbird. And my wish to your birthday is stay good health and then be strong always and be happy. Once again, happy birthday as a member of CPA. We love you so much, our beloved and very own Madam President.
Hi, Best Karren Songbird. Happy birthday, Best. Thank you sa tanan-tanan. I love you and God bless you. May tagatagan pa kag maayong lawas ug pakighilawas. I love you, Best. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mami Car. Happy birthday. Thank you kayo sa tanang blessings nga imong share. Thank you kayo sa tanan-tanan. More power, more blessings to come. Stay safe always.
Hello, Karren Songbird. Wishing you a happy birthday. Stay healthy, beautiful, and kind. Thank you so much, tanang tabang ni Munamo. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hello CPA, and I would like to greet a happy birthday to our very beautiful President, Mama Karren Songbird. Happy birthday, Ma, and wish you all the best, and with more blessings to come.
Happy birthday to Mama Karren Songbird.
Mama Karren Songbird.
Yes. And we just want to say more birthdays to come.
And candles to blow.
More cakes to eat.
And juice to drink.
And we just want to say thank you so much for
having us our
Cebu Performers Association.
Yes, as a president to us. So thank you so much.
Yes, for your kindness and for sharing your blessings to us.
Very good. Thank you so much again. Happy birthday, Miss Lee, and hopefully that you really enjoy yourself right now. Together with your very good, very handsome baby boy.
Yeah, so take her and enjoy from Alcano Family Sisters.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, yeah.
One and only Songbird of the South, Miss Karren Songbird. Happy birthday. Continue to be blessed because you're a blessing to others, especially to the CPA members. And enjoy your Karren-licious day. Happy birthday again. Mwah! Happy birthday, the one and only, the President of Cebu Performers Association, Madam Karren Songbird. Happy birthday. God bless you more, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Karren Songbird. This is Jonas Sepulveda.
Happy birthday sa akong mami nga si Karren Songbird. Then I hope okay ra ka, pirmi, and stay healthy. Labi nagkaroon panahon na nanas COVID, and I hope more blessings to come, especially sa mga live nimo niya. Nara ko pirmi para tabangan ka, and always remember, love kay kanamo sa mga friends, kami, sa imong family, labi na kako og si ate, and love sa kani lola, sa tanan, support kami nimo, good sa imong buhaton, nya, Thank you po sa imuhang mga supports na ako po, like sa akong klase, sa mga kuan, kalingawan ako, sa Shopee, na naragod, inagnay kalingawan. Then, I hope successful imuhang event karong 20, Saturday, sa birthday concert nimo. And, dayon, mo to siya. And I wish you a happy birthday. And I love you, mommy. Bye!